Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking, should you buy an extended warranty on a Ram product? Really comes down to more of the type of person you are. So if you're a person that you know that you stay in your vehicles for years and years and you work them and you're hauling and you're doing all that kind of thing, absolutely buy extended warranties, guys. All of our Ram products, just vehicles in general, as the years go on here, are packed with modern tech, big screens, sensors, diesel components, all of that kind of thing, guys. You want to buy that extended warranty because oftentimes when you get one of those big costs that you have to repair, oftentimes it will cost as much as your extended warranty did just out of pocket. So it saves you a lot of cash in the long run. For the people it wouldn't make a lot of sense for is if you're a person that's trading out, every 3-4 years, not putting on really that many K, and you're kind of sticking within that standard warranty that you do get, then it might not make as much sense for you, but it absolutely does if you're putting in the work with your vehicles, guys. As for resale things, warranty does help you having that, but only really if it is a transferable warranty, guys. So you always want to kind of do that if you're interested in your resale values, keeping those as high as possible. You're going to want to do that. Absolutely, guys. So the biggest thing that I tell my customers when they're shopping for extended warranties or asking about that is you want to prioritize coverage over term. So biggest thing is you want to go for your comprehensive warranty, keep that as long as you can, and try and gauge that for as long as you think you're going to own the vehicle to keep your costs down on repairs, guys. If you're interested in getting into a product today and then shopping some extended warranties and getting that stuff figured out, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.